Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about list data type in Python. What is list? List is a collection of different data types available in Python. So what are the different data types? So you can able to store integer, float, another list, tuple, complex, string, every data type in a common name. So that is called different data types. List. Lists are mutable. What is mutable? Mutable means we can able to modify the data once we create it. So if you want to add some data, if you want to delete something, we can able to do. That is called mutable data. That element will be separated with a comma separator and everything will be comes under the square bracket. So consider this example. I have a string input, integer, float value, complex, and one more list inside of my common list name, that is K list. We'll take an example. My list name is list1. So we have a string input as called a rows, and I have a value is 45, floating value is 9.67, complex value is 5.615J, and I have one more list value, and I have a tuple value as well. Okay, so everything comes under a common name called list1. So if I want to print the list1, I want to check the type as well. You know what is the purpose of using this type function? Already we discussed it, right? So what is the purpose of using type function? So if you want to know the type of the particular variable data type, we have to use this type function. So we are storing the different types of data in a common name, that is list1. So what is the data type? That is list. Okay, so this is the use of type function. We are going to discuss about characteristics of list. List are ordered collection of data. So how we are storing your data in the same order only your data will be stored and retrieved from your location. Okay, that is ordered collection of data. And the elements of the list can access by index. So if you want to retrieve your data from your location, you can able to get the data by using indexing position. Okay, if you want to retrieve a single data, or if you want to get ranging, or you want to get from negative indexing, everything is possible. Okay, by using the indexing position. So you have a K list. From that, I want to get only the third indexing position element. So which is possible. So in our example, I have a list1, and in third indexing position, what is the element type? I have an element called complex. Okay, so always our indexing position will begin with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So in third indexing position, I have a complex value. Okay, so like that we can able to get any data from our given list. And one more characteristics of a list is the list will allow the duplicate element. Look at this example. I have 45 for so many times. If you execute this, 45 will repeat it for a number of times. Okay. So list is a ordered collection, mutable, and it allow for duplicate element as well. So these are all the characteristics of a list. In next video, we will discuss what is positive indexing in a list. Thank you guys.